National Rally again, 2010, back with the stuff that really made motorcycling what it is. Some beautiful old stuff here again. Try and show you a good bit of it. There's the German army, back again. Brought my Motor Guzzi out for the day today. It's a bit out of place here, but never mind. It's nice to ride. The Rudge alongside it. Paddy Goring's Brush Superior. Alongside that, Bantry Barnet. Lovely AJSB twin alongside that. An old Cami Vela set. Overhead camshaft, I mean with that. Probably an old racer. B-twin Enfield, you see fairly regular. Two Scots alongside one another, very well turned out. An aerial, nice aerial. Another Vela set. Alongside that, twin port BSA. Is that an Empire Star? I'm not sure. Strange looking Vela set. Hi Frank. Nice BB Gold Star, swinging arm. TT carb, I think. Nice picture of Frank's bag.
Whiskey, when he said whiskey, then just
put
yourself in the bike. Enjoy the spin, lads.
Grand, thanks. Yes. This is ZB, is that a 32 or a 34? Nice Rudge there and change gear. You know, when you talk to fellas and all that, you'd be surprised to know that. Lovely looking HRD.
1960,
M20.
Wow.
Neat little Vela set.
Yeah.
I think that's my friend Jack's. Norton, yeah it is. Is it Douglas?
Did you ever read a book called One Man Caravan? That's some young American guy in the 30s, went around the world on a 350 Douglas.
Oh, nice gold in
next door.
Oh, nice. Really?
Yeah. Well, I'd say it was a later model than this, slightly later. Yeah. That's
4.5 twin they called him, didn't they?
Yeah.
Yeah. See the bicycle brakes?
Yeah, same, yeah.
Picnic basket on the back bike cross. I wouldn't like to sit on that saddle too long, would you? Look at the saddle.
Yeah.
Can't be galvanised tin. Goldie with a pair of swan neck clip-ons.
It's just knee pad, isn't it? Turn around in the event that you need to make a claim and say, hang on a minute, that's not...
That's not your bike.
It's Volkswagen Caravelle, you know, the T3...
An old Flash. Aerial Square 4. Oh, it's just endless beautiful bikes here. Oh. Matchless engine in a BSA frame, might be AJS. See that one there, Tom, look. Matchless or AJS engine in a BSA frame.
Yeah. Oh, that is beautiful, isn't it?
Done out nice, isn't it? Look, really looks the part.
Jeez, that is really
Nice rapid.
neat.
A TR7, no, TR5, TRW, sorry. With a disc brake.
This is married to a Visa crankcase, isn't it?
Visa chain case. On the,
chain
yeah. What gearbox have it?
The gearbox is mountainous, I'd say. That's not a Visa.
Norton 88 or something. Flash. What have we got here? B31 or 33. Leather set alongside him. AJS. And we look across here, Jesus, there's some stuff here. I don't know. Another Brush Superior. BMW NSU alongside that. Is that a Gutsy? Look at that. Rather an old motor Gutsy. This bacon slicer on the side, the flywheel. What they call them. Yeah. Something for everybody here. Beautiful old red Cam Norton. Yeah, I think it's a 350, I'm not sure. The very latest in bike luggage.
Yeah. Early Krauser pannier system.
That's what they call the oily rag condition, I think. Look at that old Norton, that's a fierce long wheelbase, isn't it?
Isn't it? Yeah. Again, those laid back bars on it.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
That's the third buff I've seen here.
Another one there. Just wonderful. One there.
Is that a buff as well? It is, isn't it? Yeah.
There's another one over there.
That's the fourth one then. SS80. SS80. Lovely.
I was just wondering whether these were worth, what, was it 25 grand these days?
Picture of a grown man weeping. Frank's not far off tears neither. He'd have to go back to his shed and cook something up again.
Yeah.
500 Comet, Vincent. There's a fortune around here, you know, if you add it all up. Really big money.
Brother had one of
There's
them.
another Gutsy single there, Falcone I think that is, or something.
Right.
Military
I thought
one.
it was a V, that one, but it's not.
PSA unit twin. Belisat. Oh dear.
Like reliability or?
They're good. Yeah, really good. You get anything for them.
Yeah.
Still get anything. This is what always upsets me. Seeing a nice 500 Golf car on a sidecar outfit. Breaks my heart every time I see it. Every year. It's better than stuck in a shed anyway. It looks suspiciously like a Triumph 500 Grand Prix. Immaculate. Immaculate. Beautiful Rudge. Rocket. Windy shoe front brake. Which I need. There's B, is it? Gold star. Star.
Yeah.
Call me toe in it. The clutch, look. See the open clutch.
Yeah. Free spring.
See. Another old Gutsy going out. Oh wow. Get it all together and then try and build it. Got started up, the 2-stroke water cooled bike. The brush. Paddy gearing on his brush. Norton. The massive beat has gone off. Belisat behind it. The old BSA 3-wheeler taking off.